This is of course good news, as it gives us more time to enjoy life. The goal of this symposium is to explore how we can ensure that most of these extra years will be healthy years. As you all know, aging is the main risk factor for many diseases, such as Alzheimer's disease, cancer, heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and more. Targeting this underlying aging process could thus help to prevent and delay the incidence of these degenerative diseases. During this symposium, many of the leading experts in their field will present the cutting edge of our current understanding of the aging process. Today, our speakers will explore the causes of aging. At the end of the day, there will be a panel session named Causes, Mechanisms and Interventions in Aging. It's my honor to be moderator of that panel, during which we will review what is being discussed today, and so mostly focus on what causes aging. Tomorrow we will mostly be dedicated to explore concrete interventions in aging, from diet, drugs to regenerative medicine. That day will end with a panel session called Pathways to Concrete Healthy Life Extension in the Coming Decades. The goal of that panel session is to explore the possible contributions and the timeline for these contributions in the future. Finally, the last day, we will look at the policy-related matters of healthy life extension. So the organizers are HEALS and the Line Academy. We would like to thank our collaborator on this symposium, the Line Academy, on Vitality and Aging, and its directors Rudy Westendorp and Marieke van der Waal. Professor Westendorp will give a talk tomorrow about the Leiden 85 Plus study, and Diana van Heemst will introduce Line Academy after me, and Diana van Heemst will also give a lecture on glucose regulation. I would also like to thank our sponsors, Didier Courneuil, the Sense Foundation and Longevity, for their contribution, without which this conference would not have been possible. Some practical aspects for the next 3 days. There are many good restaurants nearby where you can go for lunch, but there is also a cafeteria on the 5th floor. We have reserved places already for 30 people in this cafeteria, but if more come, that's not a problem, I think. The lunch lasts an hour and 30 minutes. In the auditorium, you shouldn't really drink or eat too much, at least. And of course not smoke. There is coffee, tea and light refreshments during the coffee breaks. That will be outside. The conference has a Twitter account where you can Twitter about the conference. You use the hashtag EHA 2012, and you can also use the hashtags conference and aging. Time for questions will be available after every lecture, and more time will be available during the panel sessions. Finally, I would like to ask everyone to turn the sound on their phones off, and I now give the word to Victor Bjork, a HEALS member, without which help this conference won't have worked, and he will give a short introduction into HEALS, and then I give the word to Diana van Heemst, who will introduce the Line Academy. So thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy this symposium. Victor?